Bryn's getting ready to go kill it. Oh, yeah?
Can I bring this? Or, no.
Only to put your friend's number in there. Other than that, it will be off and sitting in your bag. In your bag.
Okay, in the bag.
Okay. Be down there in a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, at the ball field, gonna eat real quick. Lily's over there deferring because she likes to wear black. And that's what we're doing. Yay! Keep an eye on it, Bryn. Make him give you a good one.
Okay, Bryn, you on the ball. You on the ball.
Good eye.
Good eye, Bryn. I love that they all slide. They think it makes them faster. It does.
It does.
All the way to the bat, Bryn.
Too low.
It's all Image. Her brother.
Her brother?
Yeah, I bet you.
There you go.
It's over the fence. Good job. Over the fence, home run, right?
The home run, the telephone booth. You got it.
No, just lay down.
Stay.
Lay down.
Where'd it go?
We're good.
You don't have more than one ball out there?
Look at them.
Why isn't the ump holding a ball?
I usually have them on the fence there, but
Or something.
thing on the fence now.
Look at the threads. There you go. Hit it. Ooh. Must have been outside.
It was way over net, too.
Good job, Bryn. Watch it all the way. Ooh, got another piece of it. You're not even paying attention. That almost smacked him in the head.
That was like 3 inches
Throw it
from
over.
his freaking head.
Nope. Gonna run it in.
Right
Maybe the
to
next
the
one will
miss,
hit it.
probably.
That'd be awesome.
Hey, he was moving
Mari, you look hot.
Good job, Bryn.
She probably is.
Swing all the way through.
It's all yours, Bryn. Where are you hitting it? Right back to the pitcher.
Take a picture. I'll buy you this.
Good job.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go!
Nice
Good job,
hit.
Bryn. Good job. Oh, careful now.
Good job.
Good job. Nice hit.
Nice line drive.
Murray back.
Runs in the family. Keep your eye on it. Good swing. Watch that ball all the way, Bryn. Good job. Go, 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 go. You gotta go. Good job, Bryn.
Don't give up. You gotta run through.
There's the bay. There's the daddies. There's the all-star Bryn. And they're looking so very cute. He's a very tired Mari. Oh, hi, Mari.
No, she doesn't want her window down. She's sleeping. She doesn't stick her head out the window when we're going this fast anyway.
Very cute. Heading back down to Phoenix to get more stuff done. Yay. Favorite thing ever.
LED flashlight for 10,000 hours. All you gotta do is listen to our hour spiel.
Now, keep on these because we're going to do something special for you.
Get one, Bryn.
Can't do for any time else.
Get one.
Yeah, this is
Stand right there.
So keep them out. Do not put them in your pocket. Do not put them
Wow.
on your 7.
Oh, got home, started cleaning. We cleaned floors, we cleaned kitchen, we cleaned bathroom, we did all the dishes, we vacuumed, we shampooed carpets. I took all the vent covers off because the thing was struggling, not pushing out enough air. Now it's pushing off a little more. And now Lily's steaming floors real quick, and then we're gonna grab something to eat and then hang out for a bit. And maybe go to the pool if Bryn quits asking. Maybe, maybe, if she's lucky.
I'll just be quiet.
She's just gonna be quiet. Bryn's not gonna talk anymore. If you know Bryn.
I might say a little bit.
Oh,
Not about
she might say a little bit.
Not about the POO. Not they don't do it either.
So that's what we're doing. Hanging out, getting stuff done. Just figured I would update.
Daddy, show them this.
Happy birthday, hey Shay. Oh, I should have recorded that this morning. We called and sang her happy. Hey, careful! There's water in that. Lily's trying to break the swamp cooler thing that we have. Spill it all over the floor. So yeah, we called and sang happy birthday to Haley Shay, and I didn't think to record it because usually a lot of stuff I forget to record. Bryn's making yet another rainbow loom bracelet.
Hexafish.
A hexafish. Awesome.
With all tie-dye colors.
What?
With all tie-dye colors.
With all tie-dye colors. It's important that I let you know that.
Yes, sir.
I'm happy for her. She's really good at making those. She makes a lot. If only we could sell them.
Heroes now, heroes then.
Firefighter. Oh wait, that's Bryn. What'd you get? Turkey provolone? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Thank you. A hero with pastrami instead of roast beef, and the good old reliable turkey bacon ranch for the gorgeous lady. Hello, gorgeous lady. Your nose looks a little red. How come only near your nose? It's not like you have a big nose. You got a tiny little nose.
Just like right here.
Her nose is just attracted to the light, I guess. Sounds like, ooh, I like your nose. Your nose is like, ooh, I like the sun. Let's hang out. Hey, we gotta eat. I'm starving. Ooh, what's up? Ooh, hot stuff.
Hello.
Little yellow polka dot bikini.
I'm wearing an itsy bitsy yellow polka dot bikini.
I am not. We're gonna go jump in the pool for a few minutes, and then we're gonna come upstairs and crash out.
Actually, eat our ice cream and then crash.
Maybe if Bryn's lucky. Well, everyone, it has been a very good long day. What's your favorite part?
Oh, we didn't film eating our ice cream.
What?
We didn't film eating our ice cream.
Oh yeah, we had a little bit of ice cream. Some Ben and Jerry's. The Greek vanilla frozen yogurt honey caramel or whatever. It's pretty tasty. I had a couple
And then
bites.
I had the chunky monkey.
Yeah, she had some chunky monkey. Anyway, it was good. Hung out in the pool. Dinner at Firehouse. Which you can't beat their subs. They're just amazing. And they're cheap. So, that's good. And now it's time to go to bed. We have baby shower tomorrow. Long day tomorrow.
More swimming.
So somebody needs to get some very good sleep tonight.
Your eyes are blood washed.
Bloodshot?
Bloodshot.
Yeah, I still have my contacts in. They hurt.
Are my eyes bloodshot?
A little bit. So, 'tis the bedtime. Haley Shay, I hope you had an amazing birthday. I'm kind of sad I didn't get to see you today, but I saw you yesterday, and I get to see you tomorrow.
Actually, you did.
So that's
kinda
better
see
than
me.
most days. I
I
did?
showed you the picture.
What?
Of her. Of her.
Oh, I saw a picture of Haley today. Ooh, she's wrapping up her performance right now, and then she's going to go enjoy her birthday. So actually she's gonna go to sleep because she's coming down with Grammy super early in the morning, or 8 o'clock they're heading down. So see her tomorrow, and that's it. We've been planning tomorrow for a long time, so I can't wait to see how it comes together. Hope you guys had a most wonderful day, and of course we will catch you in the morning. So stay tuned, click subscribe, hit like, help support us. And see you in the morning. Love you, girls. Oh hey, one's right here. Love you, girls. Mwah.